Hello everyone, welcome to BullTrade System Signal Alert, a financial market system signal alert that provides real-time trading signal for crypto, currency pairs, shares, indices, and other exotic market. Let's take a review on our past trading week. We got a buy signal on the two markets that significantly went up. If you traded those, if you made those trade or trade those market, you would have actually made minimum 200 pips. We had a buy signal alert triggered on USD CAD. If we look at USD CAD from the time we dropped the first video, you would have noticed that USD CAD has actually made more than 100 pips. US crude oil was an outlier. That made more than, from the first video we dropped, from our entry point, that market actually made more than 300 points or pips. So how do we actually benefit from BullTrade System? The thing with the BullTrade System is that it works on direction of the market, the trend of that market. USD CAD still retains its trend. USD CAD has actually done overbought. So the trend has not changed. But now we have an opportunity, might be an opportunity to re-enter that market. But the thing is that BullTrade System has automatically reset those signals. So because the trend is still to the upside, once we get a signal to re-enter USD CAD, we will then drop a video. So if you like these videos or happy with these videos, subscribe to this channel, give us a like so that we keep on dropping these videos, and then you can benefit from it. But what you can understand, is that BullTrade gives you the signal. That's why it's called system signal alert. But then what happens in the market? How do you take profit? How do you keep reading the direction of that market? That is why you need to get in touch with us so that we can actually give you more information on how BullTrade System works. So we're now going into, tomorrow is going to be the 4th of August, and then we'll have another trading week. And then hopefully, if the trend changes, then we get other signal alert get triggered on different markets like GBP, USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD, and Kiwi USD, because those are the market that we've actually set BullTrade System to trigger for the 3 months free video that we'll be dropping. So those market looks like, they're beginning to look like, because of what happened last Friday, the non-farm payroll, which kind of looks like it was going to change the direction of the market. But we don't have a trigger at that moment. We don't have any signal triggered at this moment. So, but let's see what happens within the week. And then if anything changes, if we get a signal to re-enter both USD CAD and USD oil, then we will drop videos. And if we get a signal, a proper signal, a change direction, in GBP, Euro, Aussie, Kiwi, we will also drop those videos. We might get signal 1, which is the first entry on the signals. Or we'll start looking for signal 2, which is a more stronger signal. And the final signal will be the long time trading or the position trading, which is a more stronger signal. So guys, don't forget to give us a like when you watch this video, and then hit that button for notification and subscribe. Thanks for watching.